guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you the Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes palettes. Of course, I'm dropping everything. So they give you a sheet with all the names on it. And then here's the palette. Super pretty, like very versatile, lots of colors, blues, purples, some greens, some cool shades, some more warm tones with the oranges and the browns, and then a lot of the shimmer colors over here in this area. Very versatile. I'm sure some people probably look at this and get scared and they're like, oh my gosh, what would I do with those blues and purples or those really vibrant colors, and you think maybe you can't pull it off, but you definitely can. You just need to try it. It is an Ulta exclusive palette, so I actually got it because Ulta sent me, I think it was the Platinum Perks reward. So it was like, oh, we have this palette, but it's only available to Platinum Perk members today before they actually released it at Ulta, I'm assuming to the public. So that's why I got this early, which I was super excited about. It is $24. So again, here it is. And then I'm actually gonna insert the swatches here. And some of the colors did swatch kind of patchy, but I was doing the swatch obviously with a clean finger and on my arm. So blending them out a bit, they did blend out. So if you want to see how the colors actually worked on my eyes, then you can just keep watching this tutorial. And as always, please subscribe and hit the notification bell or button, whatever the thing is up there. That way you know when I do upload new videos, even though I'm really trying to do Thursdays and Sundays. Yeah, so anyway, hope you guys like this tutorial. Just keep watching if you want to see how I did this eye look. So I'm going to start off with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Eye Primer and put that all over my lids. I'm going to use my KatVonD Shade and Light palette. I'm going to go in with this color here to set the eyes. So I'm going to go in with this color Risque, and I'm going to put that all over. And I'm going to use my Morphe E27 fluffy brush. Quite a bit of kick up like when you're dipping into it, so probably a softer shadow. And that blended pretty well. Some of the colors, like I said earlier, swatched kind of patchy, but they seem to blend out okay. But again, that's doing a swatch with my finger on my arm. So I think that blended out pretty well for the most part. Then I'm gonna go in with this color, what is this color? Turned On. And I'm gonna put that in the crease. I'm going to use this Morphe B79 brush. It's just a fluffy powder brush. And I'm not doing anything too precise, I'm just putting that across the crease. Then I'm going to go in with the color Addicted. And I'm going to use this tapered brush to be more defined, and I'm going to put that in the crease. Then I'm going to go in with this color Crush, and I'm going to place that all over the lid. I'm going to try this Step 3 Go Girl Go brush by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. It's just a flat brush. Not bad. I think it's just going to take a little work to build up to the intensity that I want. I'm going to try to apply it with my fingertip and see if that makes a difference. I probably could have put down some concealer or something lighter to make that color more vibrant, but we're going to roll with what I already did. And I am getting quite a bit of fallout, even on my pants. So now I'm going to try to go in with a little bit of my MAC Fix Plus. So I'm gonna let that sit like that for a minute and dry and do what it needs to do and put that brush out of the way because it's a mess. I'm gonna go back in with that crease brush and into that color Addicted, that darker color I used, and clean up the crease a bit, blend those colors so it doesn't look so harsh. And I'm gonna do that very lightly. So I'm gonna leave my eyes like this. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then I'll come back on and finish up the eyes. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and finished my face and I actually did my lips. I don't know, I was like on a roll and I was like, I'm gonna get everything done. So anyway, that's where I already did my lips. I will always link everything on my face down below, so you know. Okay, so let's get this done. I'm gonna go back in with that first color, Risque. And I'm gonna put that under the eye. And I'm gonna use this Luxie 227 brush. And then I'm gonna go back in with Addicted and put that along the lower lash line and then blend it out. I'm gonna use my angled brush. And then I'm gonna go in with this tiny pencil brush and blend that. And then I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Concealer brush. And I'm gonna go in with this color 3 Little Words. And I'll put that on my inner corner and my brow bone. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on my KatVonD tattoo liner in Trooper. And I'm just gonna put a thin liner on that. I don't think I wanna do a wing today. And then I'm gonna put on my lower waterline, the Nars Ruebonaparte, to lighten it up. But you know I gotta get all up in the mirror for this, so hold on. So here it is, guys. Here's the finished look. I really like the palette. I do. It's pretty legit, and like I said, you get 35 colors, hence the 35V. So here it is. Again, I really like it. So I don't know, I hope you guys enjoy these eye tutorials that I'm doing, where I'm just focusing on the eyes. I hope I'm giving you enough information and really giving something to inspire you guys to try some things, branch out, do some different colors. I'm digging the purple, something different. Yeah. All right, guys, well, thanks for stopping by my channel.